Namaste everyone, I am Suchismita. Today we will celebrate this International Yoga Day through Suriya Namaskar. Suriya Namaskar strengthens your back as well as your muscles and brings down blood sugar levels. It also improves metabolism and blood circulation and ensures regular menstrual cycle for women. It's also helping weight loss. It has 2 sets. At first, we do it in our right side and then left side. At the time of Suriya Namaskar, don't hold your breath. Breathe normally. Let's start. First, we do the first set. Stand on the head of your mat, feet together to balance your weight and expand your chest. Now breathe in and lift your arms up and back. Stretch the whole body backwards. Now breathe out and bend forward. Keep your spine erect and rest your palm on the floor. Breathe in and push your right leg back and look up. Now exhale and place your left foot between your 2 hands and inhale and take the leg back. Exhale and rise your hips back and slide forward. Now breathe in and using your hands push your body up. Breathe out and lift the hips and tailbone up in the shape of mountain. Inhale deeply and push your left leg back and place your right foot between your hands. Exhale completely. Rise up and bend forward. Raise your arms and breathe in and stretch your arms backward. Now breathe out and bring your palms in front of your chest. Now you have to do the second set. With the left leg push backward and the rest of the asanas are all the same. At last, you have to do Savasana for some times. I hope all of you enjoy this session. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.